Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, magre-reading tayo ngayon about twin flames. Twin flame connection. Take only what resonates, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Well, actually, ma-appreciate ko yon sobra. So, pati yung mga comments, no? Wait lang, guys, habang inaayos ko, nag-announce na ako. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, sa kanya kayo pwede tarot reading. And then, open ako sa astrological reading. But if you're willing to wait sa reply, kasi medyo, pag hindi ako busy, saka lang ako nakapag-reply sa email. But, of course, mag-inquire ka na lang virgophilippines@gmail.com. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Twin flame connection, please. Virgo dealing with their twin flames. Hindi to magre-relate sa lahat kasi hindi naman lahat may connection na twin flame. But, yeah. If you feel like your connection is twin flame connection, then pwede kayo makarelate dito. Well, hindi rin lahat makaka-relate. Let's start. Okay, gagawin natin to help you. So, I can help you, guide you sa inyong twin flame connection. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. Drastic is here and escapade. Well, i-move ko lang itong aking crystal. Person nakakonect mo. You do have your focus. Access granted is here. Bottom of the deck is lost. Okay. I just feel like kailangan kong kumuha ng card dito. So, kukuha tayo. This is the situation sa inyong dalawa. For the sign of a Virgo, twin flame connection. Spirit guides, angel guides, anong meron sa ating mga Virgos, twin flame connections, please. Twin flame connections for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising Venus. You do have your getting to know each other. And you do have your passion. So, some of you, pwedeng may pagka-cut off or, the situation here, getting to know each other. And I can see 3 people dito sa connection na to. So, you could be dealing with 3 people or 2 people, actually. Or both of you might be in another relationship. Ito showing to me as like a twin flame connection na may mga third parties na involved. Either side or both of your sides, pwedeng ganon. And maybe ito yung nagiging reason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng pagka-cut off, pag-block, pag-ghost. Gano'n naman talaga yung twin flame connection. May ghosting, may running and chasing connection, and maybe ngayon nagkakaroon kayo ng separation because of this. And you do have your drastic. So, I feel like some of you, meron kang mga bagay na kina-cut off ngayon sa sarili mo. Maybe with the escapade, this is you. I don't know. It feels like may mga bagay kang inilalabas ngayon sa sarili mo. Like maybe in the past, hindi mo masyado nilalabas to. Tinatry mo itago, nahihiya ka, etc. But now, you are being more adventurous, no? Kahit sa anong larangan niya, no? Maybe you are being adventurous pagdating sa buhay mo. You wanna try this thing. Gusto mo ipakita yung side mo na ganito, ganyan. So, you're being more adventurous during this time. I don't feel like ang connection nito is nakafocus ka sa twin flame mo. What I see here is that nakafocus ka sa sarili mo, sa sarili mong adventure. Ano pa yung may improve mo sa sarili mo? Ano yung mga itinatago mo noon na gusto mong ilabas or ipakita sa iba? And for now, I do feel like for some of you, wala ka na pakialam sa sabihin ng iba. It's just you being yourself. And you are being more open. So, kung hindi nila accepted yung ganyang kaugalian mo or ganyang gusto mo or maybe yung wardrobe mo, yung kung ano ka, kung hindi accepted ng taong ito, mga taong ito, you don't care. What I see here is that you're living your life. 'Di ba? You have learned how to accept your talents, your skills, the way you are, or kung ano yung meron ka talaga. At some of you, hindi ka kasi katulad ng iba. Marami kang, kumbaga, you are, uh, somehow, na-accept mo yung sarili mong uniqueness. Okay, and yeah, for some of you with the cut-off, maybe, meron kang mga bagay or tao na kailangan i-cut off sa buhay mo, and I feel like you are ready to leave or to cut off these people, this situation in your life na hindi na nag-work out para sa'yo. With regards to your twin flame, could be dealing with the person who is hiding or being, I feel like maybe minsan mo na siyang binlock. Some of you, sa social media or vice versa. Pero the way I see this is that pwedeng nawala na yung pambablock na yun. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, maybe this is not your reading. Kasi nakakita tayo dito ng pambablock. Binlock mo siya, binlock ka niya. It happened. And focus is here. So, this person is really fascinated by you, watching you from a distance. So, nakikita natin dahil may access na siya sa maybe sa social media mo because maybe yung iba sa inyo wala siyang access before in the past. Yeah, so nakakita tayo ng access dito to watch you, to see you, to look at you. Getting to know each other is here, so I feel like there's a lot of revelation sa bawat isa. May mga nare-reveal ka sa kanya na part of you, part of who you are, and maybe situation sa buhay mo. And the more na mas nagre-reveal ka sa taong ito, the more na nagkakaroon ng paglalim yung connection ninyo. So some of you, there's this connection wherein pwedeng nandun yung hindi pa rin masyadong open because the focus here is showing to me is you are the one being more open. Ikaw yung mas nakikitaan ko ng openness. But the way I see this, yung person pwedeng hindi. Pero nandun yung focus niya sa'yo. And I feel like some of you, there's this deepening of the connection right now. So, nagkakaroon ng paglalim ng connection sa inyo. There's a lot of passion kahit pa nagkakaroon ng separation or pagkakalayo sa connection na ito. So, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Alamin natin. Nakakita tayo ng sexual desire. You are someone na maybe you are already matured enough or na-reach mo yung level ng maturity wherein pwedeng hindi ka na ganun ka-active pagdating sa sex or what, unlike maybe in the past. But although ganun, pwedeng nakakaramdam ka ng sexual attraction dito sa taong ito. And the way I see this person is the same, pareho kayo. Ang dami akong nakikitang mata sa person na to, so I can see this person still watching you, especially at night. Especially during, well, I can see an owl. So, alam mo naman yung owl, yung kwago. Diba? Kung magtitingin yun or kung gising yun gabi, so maybe during this late nights, tsaka siya titingin maybe sa pictures mo or sa kung ano yung pinupost mo sa social media, this person is really watching you. And I feel like nandun din naman yung pang-aasar mo, yung tease kind of energy. You're teasing this person. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have here the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. That is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energies. Energy lang yun, guys, ha? Ten of Swords, Three of Cups, and Strength card. I want to get card dito sa inyo. And mutual energy between the two of you. Okay. Okay, so you do have here the it is safe for you to love. Yan, may gamo-gamo. Anyway. Okay. I-clarify ko to. For Twin Flame, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for Twin Flame. What do we have here for? It is safe for you to love. Twin Flame connection. You do have here Ceresite, Travel, Root, or Crown Chakra. And you do have here Malachite at the bottom of the deck. Okay. So, nakakita tayo dito ng both of you are like nakakita tayo ng emotions. I feel like if ever that this person is mag-offer ng something sa'yo, maybe may kinalaman sa money or what, you are willing to take this, maybe, with the Four of Wands and the Page of Cups, Knight of Cups. So, willing kang i-take ito, like if this person is going to offer you na may kinalaman sa stability, money, or new beginnings. Queen of Wands is here. I feel like, yeah, I'm seeing a mature person here, mature woman. So, nakakita tayo ng maybe advice coming from you, or ikaw ito na nagtitake ng advice, and you are being more mature this time. The way I see this, more on material yung nakikita natin na focus mo ngayon. You love this person, but maybe your main focus for now is kung ano yung mga material or ano yung mga nasa harapan mo ngayon. Okay? Leo energy is your Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with the Three of Cups. So, nakakita tayo dito ng ng emotions from this person. The more na nagkakaroon ng openness dito sa, you do have your it is safe for you to love. So, the openness dito sa inyo, the more na nai-involve or nagkakaroon ng strengthening or pagtibay ng connection or pagtibay ng emotion na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. If ever na may gusto siyang i-cut off dito, I'm saying na nasasaktan na itong person na to kasi gusto niyang i-cut off ito eh. And what is this? Clarify natin. Ano yung gusto niyang i-cut off? Ano yung gusto niyang tapusin? Two of Wands is here. You do have here the Hermit and King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. This is Two of Wands. Like, maybe gusto niya i-cut off or tapusin itong mga pagtatago ng emotions na ito sa'yo. Like, this person wants reconciliation. Gusto niya maging open sa'yo. Like, the Strength card, Leo energy, this person wants to have this courage na maybe sabihin sa'yo kung ano yung emotions niya. Mahirap na hindi some of you, there's this family na involved dito, family issues or whatsoever. Release your exes here, so maybe something to do with family or issues of family ang gusto niyang tapusin. Yan. And yeah, what is happening in the near future for the both of you? Situation in the near future for Twin Flames. Take only what resonates, guys. Take only what resonates. With the Ceresite, by the way, this is like the stones for crystal for travel, and nakita tayo dito ng might be nakakaisip ng pagta-travel ang person na ito or ikaw, whoever this a person is na makakapag-travel, but I can see na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. And You do have your verge and anxiety. Clarify the verge and anxiety. Lockdown, okay. In the near future for the sign of Virgo, twin flame connection. Interlude and lost is here. Legal is also here, and magnetic. Yeah, magnetic is a twin flame connection. So, in the near future for the sign of Virgo, twin flame connection, please what we have here. Meron tayong card na flirt is here. So, I want to clarify the flirt. Kukunin ko na yung mga cards na kailangan. You do have your foresight. And you do have your obsidian. Protection. And it is in root chakra. Anyway, I can see something na pagdadaanan mo in the near future. Maybe it has something to do with something na kailangan mong i-reveal or i-confess regarding sa iyong sarili, regarding sa something na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Maybe there's this thing na kailangan mong alisin sa sarili mo or alisan sa sarili mo. And maybe you have to talk to someone or something in your life na kailangan mong harapin. Na parang hindi mo to pwedeng hindi harapin. Kasi the more na hindi mo to hinaharap itong bagay na ito, the more na, parang katulad ng sakit, the more na, na pipigilan mo, the more na hindi mo harapin kung ano man tong situation at sa buhay mo, the more na lumalala siya. And I can see that you need to do this. You need to, to face the reality, to face this anxieties, these traumas, kung ano man itong nararamdaman mong lungkot, sakit, or, ang kalaban mo dito, sarili mo to. Kasi, the way I see this, kaya mong alisan, kaya mong umalis, kaya mong tapusin kung ano man ito, and you're the only one who can handle this situation. Or face this situation. Ikaw ang tanging makakaharap diyan sa situation na yan. Para mas maging maganda yung buhay mo in the near future, like, you can change your future if you will fix your present moment. Okay, kung titingnan mo yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, ano ba yung mga dapat you do have escapade. So this is like, ano yung dapat mong alisan? Saan ka dapat mag-escape sa buhay mo? Because you keep on escaping your dreams and you're living your reality. Okay? But honestly, alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. You keep on dreaming about something. Like you are born a dreamer. Pero hanggang kailan ka magiging dreamer, 'di ba? Some of you, maybe you are living in a nightmare kind of thing. So kailan ka gigising sa nightmare na 'yan? So person that I can see there's this magnetic attraction, connection, like it's something na parang hindi mo basta-basta mapipigilan. It's like this person is, of course, this is a twin flame connection. And I can see that this person will help you with regards to legal matter in the near future. Nakakita tayo dito ng, this person is really excited. No? Nakakita tayo dito ng excitement sa person na to. So, pwedeng may pag-uusap sa inyo regarding some kind of legal matter or dito sa mga pagdadaanan mo. I can see you, like this person is with you, maybe as a friend, maybe someone who would help you. And healing is here, so pwedeng itong person na to will help you heal from these traumas, from this problem right here. Nakakita tayo ng galit or lungkot, bigati, and yeah, you do have your flirt. So in the near future, I can see you talking. And something here na pwedeng may kinalaman sa like you being, or maybe your person, sino man sa inyo na pwedeng parang ito yung magiging kind of like escape mo para hindi maramdaman yung lungkot or sakit, no? Somehow this person is like, whatever this mga bagay na i-express mo sa kanya, like pwedeng galit ka, pwedeng masabi mo ito sa person na ito, galit ako, ganito, ganyan. So, well, I can see your connection as like there's partnership, there's friendship, And yeah. Well, ganun, yung twin flame connection are like that. You will heal sa kanya-kanya ninyong sarili, sa kanya-kanya ninyong experiences, and at the same time, you will heal together. And, yeah, both of you will be with each other's side. Like, kung kailangan mo ng tulong, kailangan mo ng someone, nandiyan lang siya lagi sa'yo. And at the same time, ganun din ikaw sa kanya. So, thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.